Hello, it's Ifyak here, and in this quick video, I want to show you everything you're going to get with a Local Agency Box done-for-you marketing kit. Now, Local Agency Box is a full-blown done-for-you marketing and branding solution that allows anyone to start and scale a widely profitable agency that sells high-in-demand services to local businesses. In this post-COVID era, a lot of business owners already realize the need to take their businesses online, and they're willing to pay handsomely for these services. So, with Local Agency Box, that's where you come in. We picked out the 10 hottest and most profitable local niches and created professional, unique, and tested-to-convert marketing assets, so you can easily present yourself as a professional and sell these services to local business owners who are in dire need of it, especially in this post-COVID era. So let me show you what I mean. Right here in the members area, as you can see now, we have download buttons for a ready-made proposal, email swipes for cold calling, telemarketing scripts, web banners and commercial graphics, Facebook ads copy and images for your ads campaign, and even a done-for-you contract agreement drawn by an attorney. So we created these assets for 10 different high-in-demand services that you can offer. We created for Video Marketing Agency, which is one of the hottest niches right now. We created for Facebook Ad Agency, Social Media Marketing Agency, Web Design Agency, Graphics Design Agency, Messenger Bot and Mobile App Agency, Restaurant Agency, containing everything you need to set up your own widely successful six-figure restaurant agency business to help local restaurants sell online. We also have all assets for SEO agency, and finally for Content Marketing Agency. So you get all these assets for all 10 agencies, professionally done and ready-made for you to simply swipe and deploy. Also, we've created a dashing agency website for you as well. Don't worry, I'm going to show you a preview of the website in a minute. Now, as you can see, Local Agency Box is a complete agency business in a box solution. I'll just go ahead right now to display a couple of the assets to you, so you can see why I'm really excited about this one. So I'll just go over here. Yeah, this is the agency website. As you can see, it's looking smashing, professional, and very clean. Of course, everything here is fully editable. You can add your own graphics if you want, you can add your own call to action, add your brand logo, colors, and so on. Don't worry about how to set up or customize it. We made it super easy for anyone to do. And in addition to that, we made you a step-by-step video guide to walk you through the entire process. We hired a team of A-level web designers and added our marketing expertise. That's how we came up with a Local Agency Box and this smashing-looking website. So, if you go back to the members area, you see download links to all these cool resources ready-made for each of the agencies. I'll just go ahead and show you previews of some of them real quick. Okay, this is a preview of the business card right here. This one is for the Video Marketing Agency. Of course, you can fully customize it. We're giving you both the JPEG and the PSD file, so you can fully customize, add your logo, add your name, and so on. We just wanted to make sure you get everything you need to flag off as a professional. Alright, here's a sample of one of the PowerPoint proposals. Remember, you get a proposal for each of the 10 niches in both PowerPoint and Microsoft Word format. So you can use this PowerPoint proposal to do a presentation for prospects and convert them into paying clients quickly and easily. Going further, we have a professional invoice. This is also a template that you can fully customize. You can add your logo up here, you can add your address, and so on. As you can see, it's professional and looks pretty clean and nice. Alright, let's see what else we have here. This right here is a professional legal agreement drawn by an attorney. As you can see, all the standard terms of contract are listed, and of course you can obviously customize it. But how cool is it for you to have a professional contract and agreement ready that you can use with clients? If you go to an attorney for this, you'll be charged hundreds and hundreds of dollars for that service. but we have everything done and ready for you in the local agency box package. Heck, cool, right? Yeah. Here we have pre-written email templates and samples that you can use for your follow-up sequences, for cold calling, or to attract and convert new prospects into customers. They are all professionally written for you, and you can just download and deploy them right away. Also, we have telemarketing scripts pre-written for you as well that you can just download and deploy. They were written for different marketing conditions and have been tested to be highly converting. Getting this done by a professional copywriter will easily cost hundreds and even thousands of dollars sometimes, but you are getting everything as part of your local agency box package. I'm just trying to show you a couple more of the assets here. This right here is a professionally done brochure that you can use for branding and marketing purposes. The design is clean, the copy is top-notch, and yeah, you can also customize it to fit your needs. Again, you have Facebook ads creatively done for you. You get the ad copy to use, you get the ad image. All you just need to do is to copy, swipe, and deploy, and you're in business. You also get web banners and sleek graphics that you can easily customize and deploy. Remember, we give you the JPEG and PSD file, so you can easily edit and customize it to fit your specific need. As you can see, everything is highly professional, looking smashing, and we have tested every single asset for quality and conversion, so you can get the very best out of this. And remember, this is very important, you are getting all these assets for each of the 10 agencies. Again, it's video marketing, Facebook ad agency, social media marketing, web design agency, graphics design agency, messenger bot agency, mobile app agency, restaurant agency, SEO agency, and finally for content marketing agency. Everything has been set up for you and ready in the members area. All you have to do is simply log into your dashboard, download the resources, and you're good to go. Again, if you want to start an agency from scratch, or maybe you already have an agency, but you want to take your brand to the next level, or be able to charge more or offer more services, or maybe you want to position yourself as the authority in a particular niche, this package is for you. If you're a local marketer, or you're just an online marketer and you want to make money offering these high-in-demand services to local businesses, then what better way to go than to get local agency box so you can hit the ground running and save thousands of dollars from paying freelancers. So once you sign up right now, you get your account set up for you immediately. Log in and right from your members area, which is going to look exactly like mine right here, you'll be able to download all the resources right away. We made everything ridiculously easy to set up and customize, and additionally, we made a very robust help desk where you'll get access to detailed videos and articles that will show you how to customize and deploy every single resource in the box. Fair, right? Yeah. Now, you don't have to worry if you're not an expert in any of these niches, because we also had that in mind while creating this for you. So, if you ever bought a commercial or agency license for any software or product, then Local Agency Box is what you need to monetize those tools you've spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on. And if you don't want to go that route of providing the services yourself, you can take advantage of the mega bonus package we have weaved into this offer, which gives you everything you need to make $500 to $2,500 per client for less than 1 hour of work through arbitrage and drop services. Access to this bonus is already delivered right inside the members area. Additionally, we have a ton of other very premium and congruent apps we're giving away as bonuses, but they are available only if you act right now. And also, don't forget, your investment today is backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. Just pick up your access, do a test drive, and if you aren't cool with what you get, simply chat up our support desk and you'll get your money back, no questions asked. Alright, go ahead and lock in your access right now. The price for this is increasing every hour. Hurry! Looking forward to seeing you inside the members area. Cheers!